So, so you compared to me in the shop?
Babe, me did have on my shirt, but me accidentally.
See your shirt? Oh, Patsy, you come back. Me know why you think nothing. You could use dash up on him shirt. I never want it stain up, so I just wash it out for him.
Oh.
Anyway, may I come leave now? May I come? Sorry then. Wait till where? When you get around, buddy, she at work, stop work. If she has taken stop still. Yes, taking stop still. Yeah.
No bother with it. Analyze that. The juicy dash up on the shirt, but it's still wet.
Wet. Are the shirts alone wet? I'm gonna tell you the part where me want to know how the shirt come off.
Me did tell her I'm alright, but she just take off the shirt.
She took off the shirts. She took off your shirt where you put on button up for coming. Well, I will check how much button up on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times and go on your well where me know about. So I ask a question. What time should you reach number 1? You couldn't just tell us if I don't?
Patsy, she said the thing I got stain up and she just want to wash it out.
Wash it out. Cause my and them don't work. Me have a fan.
Babe, please, no overplay. She just wash out the shirt and no harm is done.
It's okay, baby. Plus, I have something else for what's up after the day done.
Go tell your lover that you've been getting your love from me, yeah. You found another, and that's okay if you're honest, babe. You got to take a hold of your life, make it right, babe. You have so much to show for yourself, yeah. Take control of your life, do it right, babe. I will be at your side for every step of the way. You give me everything that a girl could ever need. Yeah, you're the kind of man that could help me to believe. Just keep on showing me.
Hello? Stinger? Yeah, just a minute. One. Yes, master. I have a job for you. It has to be handled discreet. Yeah. I need you to get a hold of Wasp. I have a job for you guys. Very, very delicate. It's a political figure. So it has to be clean. In and out. A ticket will be waiting for you guys at the airport. So as you do what you do, head straight for the airport. Yeah. As usual, you'll have an itinerary of the target. Yeah, very detailed. Especially with this one. Oh, we're using a different company to rent a vehicle from this time. In and out, as I said. Very smooth. I can't emphasize how smooth it has to be. When you see me go to these lengths, you understand how important it is. All right? I would like to say I'll see you when you get here, but I won't see you. I'll hear about you. Take care, yeah? Oh, what if...
You know loss. Dip on the other side.
What you doing in my yard? How you reach inside here?
You ever hear the saying say, seek and ye shall find, ask and it shall be given, knock and it shall be opened unto you.
I never hear no knock.
Who fear, hear.
You still haven't answered my question, you know, boss. What you do in my yard?
Well, I don't go nowhere where the spirit no send me. And the spirit plan to send me yes or today. More so, me observe say I've been a very good leader. And not only that you're a good leader, you're connected to bubbles. And you know say my spirit take bubbles. But at this point in time, your leadership is questionable because you're about to make a decision that is a very wrong decision.
Don't tell me. You see it in a vision and you come to warn me.
Bubbles tell me about you know. Say you're a very skeptical man. So you pay attention to detail. And you only focus on where you can see. And that you is factual. That's where you go.
Speaking of factual, let me explain something to you. I come from the military. We don't believe in sight unseen and we make plans according to facts that we know.